welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how to maintain your canister filter and keep it running quiet. Lubricating your canister filter's O-rings, impeller shaft protects against wear and tear, reduces friction, ensures a tighter seal to minimise leaks, and keeps the unit running quietly and efficiently. Properly lubricated O-rings can last up to 15 years or more, saving you a lot of money on replacements and repairs. To choose the right lubricant, opt for a food-grade silicone grease, which is safe for aquarium use. I recommend this one from Aquarium. Avoid petroleum-based lubricants as they can degrade your O-rings over time. To lubricate, remove the O-ring and check for any signs of wear. Clean in some water and then wipe with the cloth to eliminate any dirt and debris. Lightly coat the O-rings with your chosen lubricant, ensuring an even application. After cleaning the pump head, place the O-ring back into its groove. To keep the filter running quiet and smoothly, remove the impeller from its casing. Clean the impeller and shaft in some water and use a cloth and Q-tips to remove any debris. Apply a small amount of lubricant evenly on the impeller shaft. Now put the impeller and shaft back in its housing and reassemble the rest of the filter. Prime the line and you're good to go. I'll leave some links below where you can find aquarium safe O-ring lubricants and read up on other customer reviews. If you enjoy this type of content, consider liking this video and subscribing for future reviews and how-to videos. Until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy lubricating.